Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies in UAE. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.inpasakbot.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Al Etihad National Private School Abu Dhabi. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option careers available. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Al Etihad Private School Abu Dhabi. So in this main page itself, it's scrolling, we are hiring. So we are hiring, be part of our family. So what are the open position? Kindergarten homeroom teacher, primary homeroom teacher, English teacher, mathematics teacher, science teacher, maths and science coordinator, Arabic teacher. So these are all the vacancies. So if you are interested these job vacancies, you can send your CV to careers@inpsakbot.com. The successful candidate will be required to submit a CV with a copy of passport, educational certificate and police clearance to complete the online application process. In the CV, please include the names and contact email addresses of 2 professional referees, one of which must be a current principal. So you can fill this form, attach your CV and your bachelor degree, email ID, phone number, name and experience, cover letter, and you can finally enter the captcha. Once you have entered, you can submit your job application form. So what they offer? So they offer competitive terms of employment, tax-free salary, annual flight, supportive and creative colleagues, excellent professional development. So what are the requirements? So make sure before applying, please check your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification and job description, etc. So in these job vacancies, what are the requirements? Bachelor degree in education or equivalent to teaching subject, minimum 2 years teaching experience, high level of professionalism and consideration of well-being of student, extracurricular activities, positive and solution focused attitude to working life. So these are the requirements for these job vacancies. So if you meet the requirement, you can apply as per the instructions. So if you want more details about the school, you can check it in the menu. So what are the curriculum they are following? So everything you can get it in the menu itself. You can submit your CV careers@inpsakbot.com. The second one is you can enter in the URL www.jssisdubai.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of JSS International School. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option careers available. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for JSS group of school. So if you want to be part of our esteemed organization, send in your prospect to careers@jssisdubai.com. So what are the vacancies? Economics faculty grade 11 and 12. So qualification masters with B.Ed, experience 3 to 5 years. Then physics faculty, mathematics faculty and assistant teachers. So all the qualifications of masters with B.Ed and 3 to 5 years experience. Assistant teachers, any degree teaching experience will be an additional advantage. So if you are interested these job vacancies, you can send your CV and cover letter careers@jssisdubai.com. The third one is you can enter in the URL www.thearbaschool.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Arba School. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option in right corner, careers available. If you click this link, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Arba School. So please view our current available position below and inquire directly to recruitment@thearbaschool.ae. So what are the vacancies? Physics teacher, chemistry, art, primary school assistant head, primary school leader, foundation stage class teacher, primary school computer science, primary school class teacher, music teacher, PE and sport teacher, learning support assistant, school doctor and school nurse. So these are all the vacancies. So if you are interested these job vacancies, you can click this link. For example, if you are interested for physics teacher, you can click this link, physics teacher. So they are currently looking for an outstanding physics teacher to join the term August 2022. So candidate profile, bachelor degree in physics, minimum 5 years experience. So what are the remuneration? A competitive tax-free salary, school provided accommodation, free school places children, insurance, airfare, end of service, gratuity. So how to apply for these job vacancies? To apply for this position, please ensure the following documents are sent to recruitment@thearbaschool.aa. Attention to Mr. Brett Greven with the role physics teacher specified in the email header. An up-to-date CV with a recent photograph to be included, a letter of application no longer than 2 pages in the length, which outlines your educational philosophy and suitability for the Arba school. So all appointments are subject to CV and qualifications check, interview, identify check, criminal record check and successful references. So this is the way they are recruiting the candidate. So if you are interested these job vacancies, you can send your CV with a photo and letter of application to recruitment@thearbaschool.ae. You can mention in your subject of your email. So like that one by one you can check. If you meet the requirement, you can apply as per the instructions. Otherwise, if you are interested for chemistry teacher, you can click this link one by one. You can get all the details in the page itself. So all the jobs are going to start August 2022. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friends. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. Please note that only shortlisted candidate will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. Good luck with your job search. I hope you can get a great job. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.